Crazy new wheels for the S600 in 3, 2, 1.
What's going on, JR Garage? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another awesome S600 rebuild video, part 11.
So you remember from our previous installment, a sneak peek and reveal of the new paint job, and boy does it look amazing. Such a nice new paint job, deserves new wheels.
We'll reveal them to you in just a moment here, but I'm sure a lot of you guys missed our last video. Didn't get a whole lot of views and it was one of our most monumental videos ever. We bought a plane. Yes, a real life plane for training, traveling. It's gonna be awesome. So that was our last upload. You should go check that out. And while you're there, get in on the giveaway we're doing. We'll be flying out one lucky winner and a guest. Come out to Arizona, hang out with us, check out the cars, and go flying in our new plane. And all you need to do is subscribe to our other channel, JR Aviation. Just hit that subscribe button, leave a like on our reveal video, and leave a comment so that we can randomly select one comment from a generator, totally random, and that winner will be flown out to Arizona. So go do that. You may just win.
So we're so hyped about
944.
About 944s. And also to be able to share our passion, one of our hobbies, with you on this other channel.
While we love talking about planes, it's time we talk S600 and these new wheels. Let's head to the warehouse and reveal these new wheels to you, and then head down to Mesa, pick up the S600 with its new paint job, and then get mounting and installing these bad boys. Let's get to it. Alrighty, made it to the warehouse. Check that out right off the bat. Here are the new wheels. Crazy full house here today. But Christian has the new tires over here as well. Yokohama sent us out an awesome new set.
Yes, so Advanced Sport all seasons, just a good all-around, year-round, comfortable, quiet tire, perfect for the S600.
So we're gonna give these a shot, and they got good reviews, so we're hyped to get them on. It's a square setup, right, Christian? 255?
Yep, 265, 35, 20.
20-inch wheels, so these are big wheels we're putting on. Now these wheels aren't brand new, so they need a little bit of cleaning before they are ready to go on the car. We want them 100% perfect. No, they are not niche wheels, you'll see in just a second. These wheels are actually from our buddy Kyle, who you guys remember. He's been a pivotal help in getting this S600 back together. Boy, do we owe him or what, because check this out. For the first time, you guys are seeing the new wheels. Welcome our new Lawrencer LM6 turbine two-piece wheels. We may actually ceramic coat them. That's something good to do before you put on new wheels. I feel like these wheels are a perfect fit for the car. Obviously stay tuned to the whole video so you can see these go on the car later today when we pick it up from Garrett. I think we're all gonna be blown away at how good this car will look. So get all the brake dust off, get these looking 100% perfect, and then we'll ceramic coat them with the Avalon King kit. So let's get to it. All right, guys, 2 down, 2 to go, but Christian's working on the ceramic coating.
Yeah, so the first step of the prep is getting them perfectly clean, and then part 2 is taking isopropyl alcohol and getting a perfect surface to apply the ceramic coating to. And we'll be able to put on this stuff from Avalon King.
Yeah, you guys have probably seen this product on many different YouTube channels. It works great, very affordable. It's a DIY kit. You can do it yourself at home. So check them out, it'll be linked down below. I really like the product, and it's gonna help protect these wheels in the long run. All right, we got all the tires and rims loaded up in the truck, ready to be installed right when we get back with the car. But here we go, off to Mesa, Arizona to pick up the S600.
Look at that Mercedes.
Oh my goodness, let's go check it out. And there she is. Now you guys remember we did the reveal last video, but it still needed to be polished and wet sanded. We'll save the full cinematic edit for once the wheels are on it later in this video, but stay tuned. We're just gonna grab Garrett, grab the keys, and we'll be on our way to Discount Tire. I think they're mounting the wheels. They're always nice and affordable. All right, there he is. The man, the myth, the legend. How'd the car turn out? It looks great. I mean, we just saw it over there. We got all the little chrome bits back on. How was it overall?
It was fun, for sure. definitely an experience. I mean, working on these cars, I love it. Yeah, before and afters, it's satisfying and definitely had its challenges, so I kind of had to...
some challenges. Thanks again. And if you guys want to check out the full video revealing it, be sure to check out the last video. We talk more about what Garrett did and all the work that he put into it, but awesome final product. All right, start up that straight pipe V12, Christian. Oh yeah, into the S600. Oh man, long time no see. I've missed the V12 in my life. So head off to Discount Tire now. We're gonna get these bad boys mounted up. It's gonna look so good. And just like that, we made it to Discount Tire. We got the 4 wheels, we got the 4 tires. They're gonna mount them up just in time. They're closing in like 15 minutes, but they were nice enough to do it for us. And boom, there you guys have it. Be sure to comment down below what you think of the new wheels. We are definitely in love with them.
And good call with the paint color. This looks awesome. Black most of the time, blue sometimes, but like we said, new paint job means new wheels, means new tires.
Definitely during this golden hour is the time where this paint really shines. It goes from blue to black to sparkly purple almost. It's pretty crazy. And with these new wheels to match the chrome bits on the car, it sets it off perfect. Huge thanks to Yokohama once again for sending us out this awesome set on the 30 miles or so of driving we've done so far. They are extremely smooth, super quiet, really gives it that nice luxury feel. They always make great tires for all of our cars.
So looking forward to driving this car more, putting these tires to the test, getting some great use out of them.
These tires will be linked down below if you're interested in an all-season setup. Oh, geez, I almost forgot about this. For the people who stayed till the very end, you know, new day, new week, new car. Let's just say another car is joining the garage, and it may also have 12 cylinders.
I think you'll all really like it. I'm really excited about it, and it should be a really good one.
And no, it is not an S600, but it is similar. And it has 12 cylinders. So stay tuned, it'll be revealed soon whenever we go pick it up. So follow our Instagram to get some hints of the new car and behind the scenes when we do pick it up to get the first glimpse of it before we reveal it on the channel. And be sure to check out our aviation channel like we mentioned in the intro. Check out the plane. Now we have a plane in the garage, in the hangar, in the collection too, so it's pretty wild times. So
feel free to leave your guesses on the new car down below, and we'll be able to pick a couple winners.
Heck yeah, guess what you think we bought. Similar to this car, V12, but that's all we're saying. Alrighty, you guys rock. Thank you for watching this video. We'll catch you in the next one.
That it feels right.